Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will talk about alt tags in images, what they are, why they matter for SEO, and how they improve accessibility and user experience. An alt tag, also called alt attribute or alt text, is an HTML attribute added to an image. It provides a text description of the image for search engines and screen readers. Alt tags are crucial because search engine cannot see images. They rely on alt text to understand image content. This helps images appear in Google image search and boost overall SEO. Alt text is also essential for accessibility. Screen readers use it to describe images to visually impaired users, making your websites inclusive. For example, instead of leaving an image empty, you can write image src is equal to cake.jpg, alt is equal to chocolate cake with sprinkles. This clearly describes the image to both users and search engines. Optimized alt text help images rank in Google Images, increase organic traffic, and improve overall page SEO. They also reduce bounce rates by providing context. Use descriptive text. Include relevant keywords naturally. Keep it short and avoid keyword stuffing. Always describe the image's purpose clearly. Avoid vague alt text like image 123 or keyword stuffing like shoes, best shoes, buy shoes. Both reduce SEO value and user experience. If an image fails to load, the alt text appears in its place. This ensures users still understand the context of the missing image. To summarize, alt tags describe images for search engines and users, improve accessibility, and boost SEO by helping images rank in Google. Thanks for watching. Make sure every image on your website have a well-written alt tag. It's a small step that makes a big SEO difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO insights.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.